first graders. This video is a continuation on the water cycle. And I'm going to talk today, we've talked about, and I'm trying to get this to work so that it is working. Let me see here. Here we go. We've talked about evaporation, and that's when the sun heats up the water and it turns from liquid to water vapor or steam, and it goes up into the air. Then we've talked about condensation, and that's when it gets high enough in the air that the water vapor cools and changes back to a liquid, forming clouds. And today we're going to talk about the next part of the water cycle, precipitation. Precipitation occurs when there's so much water that has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and the water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. So we know that gravity pulls things towards the earth, and this is what happens with the water cycle. So the clouds get so saturated with liquid water that it starts to fall back to earth because of gravity. And depending on the temperature outside, it's going to either be rain, hail. Hail is mainly with thunderstorms, by the way. Sleet or snow. Now today, it is 40 degrees. So boys and girls, I want you to think about, what would the precipitation look like today? Would it be rain or would it be snow? That's right, it would be rain, because it has to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius for it, below that, for it to be snow. So we're going to be talking about precipitation. And if you go down here and you go to sheet number 4, sorry. Sheet number 4 is precipitation. So you can always print this out if you like, or you could just go here and look at it. If you print it out, you feel free to color it. So the clouds get heavy and the rain comes down, and it says, precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, or snow. If you continue the condensation experiment long enough, so much water will condense on the book, it won't be able to hold it all. At that point, the water will start dripping down the book, and you've created precipitation. We're going to have some precipitation the next few days, so be sure you're watching for that, and look for the water cycle. All right, thanks, boys and girls.